Have you ever stopped to ponder the scientific intricacies that make certain underwear feel like a cozy embrace? In this video, I'll be delving into the scientific research that underpins the comfort of your underwear. From the moment you slip into your underwear, you want to feel at ease and supported. But what exactly goes into creating that perfect balance of comfort and functionality? Let's start with the fabric. Scientific studies have constantly shown the positive attributes of various materials in underwear. For instance, research published in the Journal of Textiles and Apparel's Technology Management highlights the superior breathability and moisture-wicking properties of fabrics like cotton and modal, providing optimal comfort for daily wear. Cotton is also a natural fiber known for its softness and breathability, allowing air to circulate freely around your body, keeping you cool and dry. Studies have also found that modal and semi-synthetic fibers made from beech tree pulp has excellent moisture management properties, making it a popular choice for underwear. Furthermore, synthetic materials like polyester and nylon have been praised for their moisture-wicking capabilities. Research published in the journal Textile Research Journal discusses the effectiveness of these materials in managing moisture during physical activities, ensuring you stay dry and comfortable. But comfort isn't just about the fabric, it's also about the fit. A study published in the journal Ergonomics found that the fit of clothing, including underwear, can significantly impact comfort and mobility. When underwear fits well, it enhances comfort and allows for unrestricted movements. That's why 2-year-olds and Supawear focuses on providing a range of fits that suits different body types and preferences. The innovation designs ensures that your underwear stays in place and moves with your body throughout the day. So the next time you're shopping for underwear, remember to consider both the fabric and the fit. Look for materials like cotton, modal, polyester, and nylon, and choose a style that suits your body and lifestyle. Thanks for joining me on this scientific exploration of comfort. I hope you feel enlightened about the factors that contribute to the comfort of your underwear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the world of style and comfort. Until next time, stay comfortable, confident. Ciao for now. Bye.